10 incredible tools every outdoorsman needs. Imagine being miles from the nearest road, deep in the wilderness, when the weather suddenly turns, the temperature drops, the wind picks up, and your gear is pushed to its limits. In those moments, having the right tools can mean the difference between comfort and disaster. Today, we're covering 10 essential tools every outdoorsman needs. Whether you're an experienced adventurer or just starting out, these items are more than just nice-to-haves. They could make your trip a success or a struggle. Let's dive in. Hilleberg Charon 4 Tent. The Hilleberg Charon 4 Tent is a heavy-duty shelter built for extreme conditions, offering unmatched durability and protection in harsh environments. While it weighs nearly 10 pounds, making it more suited for car camping than backpacking, it excels in keeping you dry and secure in freezing cold or heavy rain. The spacious design provides ample room inside, with a generous vestibule to store your gear out of the elements. Despite its weight, the setup is surprisingly easy, making it ideal for tough weather and long trips. If you need reliable shelter in extreme conditions, the Charon 4 is a top choice, worth every ounce. Sea to Summit X Bowl. The Sea to Summit X Bowl is a compact and durable camping essential made from food-grade silicone. It folds flat to about the size of a pancake, making it perfect for packing light on extended trips. Despite its collapsible design, it holds its shape well for meals like soup or cereal, offering a stable dining experience. It's dishwasher-safe, BPA-free, and easy to clean, adding convenience to its practical design. However, it can get a little too warm when holding hot liquids, so it's not ideal for extremely hot beverages. Still, its space-saving ability and ruggedness make it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Write in the Rain Notebook. The Write in the Rain Notebook is a game-changing tool for outdoor adventurers designed to withstand the harshest conditions. Its waterproof paper ensures your notes stay intact even in torrential rain or when wet, making it perfect for tracking your journeys or mapping out routes. The rugged cover and spiral binding offer durability, ensuring it holds up in rough environments. However, it's essential to use the right pen, like the Fisher Space Pen, as not all pens are compatible with its waterproof pages. With the right gear, this notebook becomes an invaluable tool for any adventurer. Turtleback Backpack's Tactical Radio Holder. The Turtleback Backpack's tactical radio holder is a must-have for those who need reliable communication in the field. Designed to securely hold your two-way radio, it allows hands-free operation while keeping you connected in remote areas. Made from heavy-duty nylon, this holder is built to endure harsh environments and provides easy access to your radio. Its tactical design lets you clip it onto backpacks or vests for convenience. Just be sure your radio fits properly, as it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. This holder is an essential piece for anyone relying on communication during their adventures. Nemo Helio Pressure Shower. The Nemo Helio Pressure Shower is a game-changer for long outdoor trips where staying clean is tough. This portable shower uses a foot pump to create water pressure, offering a real shower experience in the wilderness. Weighing just a few pounds and holding 5.8 liters of water, it's compact and efficient for backcountry adventures. It's perfect for those times when a quick rinse can make all the difference. The only catch? You'll need to pump it manually to maintain the pressure, which can get tiring with extended use, but the fresh feeling afterward is totally worth it. Garmont Pinnacle GTX Boots. When you're hiking over tough terrain, there's one thing you need above all else: support. And that's exactly what you get with the Garmont Pinnacle GTX boots. These boots are designed to handle rough trails, extreme weather, and long hikes, providing top-notch support and comfort. The Gore-Tex lining ensures that your feet stay dry no matter how wet it gets, while the durable rubber sole provides excellent traction on both wet and rocky surfaces. One of the key features of these boots is their flexibility. They're stiff enough to protect your ankles on uneven ground, but flexible enough that they won't leave you feeling like you're walking in bricks. However, they're a bit on the heavier side, so if you're looking for something ultralight, they might not be the best option. But for those who prioritize comfort and durability, these boots are built for adventure. Goal Zero Boulder 100 Solar Panel. If you want to stay connected in the wilderness or simply power your gear, the Goal Zero Boulder 100 solar panel is a game changer. This solar panel is incredibly efficient and designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions. It's capable of charging everything from small electronics like your phone to larger devices like portable fridges or power stations. The panel's rugged design makes it ideal for extended trips, and the built-in kickstand allows you to position it for maximum sun exposure, but like most solar panels, it can be a bit of a challenge on cloudy days or in areas with less sunlight. The charging speed also depends on how direct the sunlight is, so don't expect a fast charge in overcast conditions. Still, if you're going off-grid for a while, this panel will be your best friend. Petzl Acticore Headlamp. No outdoor adventure is complete without a reliable light source, and that's where the Petzl Acticore Headlamp shines. This headlamp is lightweight, rechargeable, and delivers an impressive 350 lumens of brightness. It's perfect for everything from setting up camp at night to navigating trails after dark. The red light mode is great for preserving your night vision, while the adjustable beam allows you to customize the light output based on your needs. But as with any headlamp, battery life is key. The Acticore's rechargeable battery is a huge plus, as it saves you the hassle of constantly swapping out AA batteries. However, in colder weather, you may notice a dip in performance, so it's always good to carry a spare power pack. Still, the overall convenience and functionality of this headlamp make it a must-have for anyone spending time in the dark. Lecky Micro Variocarbon Trekking Poles. Next, we've got the Lecky Micro Variocarbon Trekking Poles, which are built for those who need the best support on long treks. These poles are made from carbon fiber, making them both lightweight and durable. The twist lock mechanism allows for quick and easy adjustments, and they pack down small enough to stow in your backpack when not in use. But don't let their slim build fool you. These poles can handle rough terrain, providing excellent stability and reducing strain on your knees and joints. The only downside is that carbon fiber poles can be pricier compared to aluminum models, but the weight savings and strength are well worth it for serious hikers. Whether you're trekking in the mountains or taking on long-distance trails, these poles are an investment in comfort. Trekology Trekker Inflatable Chair. And last but not least, the Trekology Trekker Inflatable Chair. After a long day of hiking, nothing feels better than sitting back and relaxing in a comfortable chair. The Trekker chair is ultra-light and compact, making it perfect for backpacking. It inflates in just a couple of minutes, and when you're done, it deflates and packs down into a tiny carry bag. The ergonomic design ensures that your back is well supported, and the durable materials ensure it can withstand rough use in the outdoors. However, it does take up some space, so if you're going for an ultralight setup, this might not be your first choice. But for those who appreciate comfort after a long day of hiking, it's a great addition to your gear. So, what's your must-have outdoor tool? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay prepared, stay adventurous, and we'll see you next time.